Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your TonKeeper wallet address. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to find it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the TonKeeper wallet app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface of the app. Now in this page, here you can see the wallet option at the top. Tap on it. You will see all the wallets associated with your accounts over here. Now select the wallet whose address you want to know. Just tap on it. Now that you select your wallet, you can see the available balance in your wallet over here. And just below that, you'll see some codes. That is your wallet address. If you tap on it, it will be copied and you can use it to do the transaction from and to your account. That's how you can find wallet address in your TonKeeper account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.